சீக்கிரமா அப்படி போக மாட்டேன். Hi guys. Hi guys. How are you guys? Okay. We were doing quadratics, right? I would like to know what each of you are doing in school so that I can align myself to what you need. Tell me, Malakshmita, what are you doing in school?
We're about to take our quadratics test tomorrow.
Quadratics test. Okay. How about you, Samanvi? Oh, sorry, not Samanvi. Akshita.
We took our exponential functions test yesterday.
Each of you are going one way. Okay, Jay.
Oh, we took our factoring polynomials test today.
Okay, but okay, factoring polynomials. Okay, that's something I want to do once. Nidhi, how about you?
I'm doing the same as Akshita, exponential functions.
1 second, ma. 1 second.
They admit like 500.
Okay.
This indicates nothing. My Caltech application is good and they no.
Let's get going, ma. Sorry. So I just want to know from Rushi as well. What are you doing in school? What are you doing in school, Rushi? Rushi, you're able to hear?
We're doing exponential functions.
Okay, you're doing exponential functions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Let's review a little bit and then I'll move on. Okay. 783. Harshad, did you have any questions in your homework?
I had one question. Can I get the book and see?
Absolutely. See 659 to 7. See 659 to 771. I just skipped. Okay. Did we do See, have they covered division of polynomials for you in school, Nidhi?
Wait, I don't remember it by the name. What is it?
Division of polynomials. Division of polynomials, did you do, ma?
I don't seem to remember it by the name.
Okay, you don't remember by name. Okay.
I found my question.
Okay, you can ask. Go ahead, Harsh.
It says in g of x is equal to a in parentheses x minus h squared plus k. What are the coordinates of the vertex?
Okay, ma. 1 minute. Let's go to your question first.
Page 795.
Pizza. Oh, it is in the book, huh? Okay, you can tell me.
And g of x is equal to
Illa,
a.
illa. Harshit, please the name, the page number.
Oh, 795.
795. Yeah. Anybody else had any other questions? Please ask. 795. What is it, ma?
21.
21. Okay, what are the coordinates of the vertex? Okay.
I don't know how to find it because I haven't been given any values.
Okay. Okay, then let's do that and come back. I was thinking of something else. 73, 85 you have done, right? Okay, let's do that and come back, okay? Harshit, you have to repeat the page number again. Please excuse me.
795.
Oh, 95. I have not gone there at all, right? Okay, I'm glad you did it. Okay. See, because we have not covered polynomials to that extent, I have not gone there. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Let me share the whiteboard first. Avyuk, what are you doing in school?
We finished the quadratic test and moved on to exponential functions.
I see. Okay. So how about this? But we didn't discuss this, right? I feel like we have discussed this already, right? Ax square plus bx plus c is the standard form.
Yeah.
Of a quadratic function.
Yeah.
Vertex form of a quadratic function can be expressed as x minus h the whole square. A times x minus h the whole square plus k. Have we discussed this? Or no? You can tell.
Yeah, we have.
So here, 1 second guys, sorry guys. Very nice. Okay. So a times x minus h the whole square plus k is equal to f of x. Here h comma k is the vertex. Now I want you to be able to convert from this form to this form and this form to this form. I know I've not covered, we have covered multiplication of polynomials. If I am right, do you know how to multiply x minus a, x minus h? Harshit, I'll come to your question, Harshit. That's what actually I wanted to cover. First the multiplication of polynomial, factoring polynomial, then I'll come here, Harshit. This is what I wanted to cover today, and transformation as well. So do we all know how to multiply these two, x minus a times x minus h? You can answer yes, no, something I want from each of you. Lishita, do you know how to multiply the binomials? Do you know how to multiply the binomials? Akshita, you can tell me whether you know how to multiply the binomials.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and tell me x minus, let's consider, I'll come back, Harshit, I'll come back to your question. X minus a, x minus h. So what do? I will follow FOIL method. First terms x square, outer terms minus 8 times minus h is plus ah. Then inner terms minus ax, last terms minus hx. Makes sense, guys? We are all good with this, right? Okay, now coming to this, do you all know how to multiply this? I really want to find out the answers from you guys. Can you send me the answers quickly?
Wait, it was first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms?
Okay, ma. See, I won't, left to me, I will not follow that. I just want you to know because school exposes you to the FOIL method. Okay. Left to me, I will take x, multiply with both. Then I'll take minus 2 and multiply with both.
Oh, yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, Avyuk, that's right. Okay, Johan noted your message. Good, ma, Lakshmita, Akshita, good. I think you're all good with this, guys. Let's see factoring then. If I am able to finish factoring, I'll convert this forms as well today. Let's see. We also discussed transformations, right, ma? Last class, did we discuss transformations? Harshat, you can answer.
Transformation, like,
Vertical stretch, horizontal stretch.
yeah, we did that.
We did. Okay, so, but I want to review that. I'm pretty sure it's hard and you might not remember. Let's see. Oh, yeah, everybody has this. Okay, Rushi, correct. J, it is minus x or plus x, J?
Oh, my
Harshit,
bad. It's plus x.
no problem at all. I'm just telling you. Harshit, you have to add 3x minus 2x, right?
Oops.
Okay. Can I move on now? Now, let's see this one. So, you all know how to multiply binomials very well now. So, this is Akshita, did you get Kavin? We are multiplying polynomials. Can you send me the answer? Okay, I think all of you got it. So now, okay, if I am right, I also talked about 3 important formulas for you to remember forever, correct?
Yeah, a plus
Yep.
b squared, a
Yep.
minus b
Yep.
squared.
Why do we review this again and again? A plus b, the
Square.
whole square. What does that mean? A plus
A
b times a plus b, right? This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b, the whole square is a minus b times a minus b. That becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then what else? A plus b times a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now, so you will remember this forever. Now, whenever you see squares, right, I will call these as square terms. Whenever you see these squares, hereafter I will be calling them as square terms. They are called square terms. Okay, this is not a square term, but this is a square, right? A number square, right? So I'll call them as square terms. Now, let's go ahead. I really want you to be able to factorize first. So let's see. Divide. See, it's not here at all. Okay, let's see this one. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, you know about polynomials. We studied addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomial. We studied slowly one by one, and then we did multiplication of polynomials as well, right? So let's go ahead. We will also try to factorize. What is factorizing polynomials? Have you heard of the term factorizing? Means writing it out as factors. Suppose if I give you the number 6, right? Writing it out as 3 times 2 is factoring the number, right? So like that, I can factorize polynomials, meaning writing a number as product of factors. I express something, sum of terms. Let's say it's a sum of terms. I have 5 plus 1. I have 5 plus 1 given to me. I write it out as 3 times 2. 5 plus 1 is the same as 3 times 2. But the biggest difference here is, here the operation was addition, but when you factorize it, the terms, meaning 3 is multiplied by 2. So here let's say x plus 1, right? Now you can write this out as x squared plus 2x plus 2. So this is a term, this is a term, this is a term. So I can call it as sum of terms, right? Now this is product of factors, right? So when you're given this, writing it out like this is factorizing. Any questions there? Any questions there? Any questions there? Now let's see this one. Suppose if I give you this, and ask you how to factorize. First of all, if you see such polynomials, see, when I look at that, it's more of distributive property, the reverse of distributive property. What is common in all this? You are going to take the greatest common factor out of these. Clearly, 2 is there in everything and x square is there in everything. So when we take it out, it becomes 4x square. Do you see? 2x square times what is 8x power of 4. And then you have minus 2x plus 5. Does it make sense? Does that make sense? Are all of you with me? Yes, Avyukt, go ahead.
When factorizing, does it always need to be a positive integer?
This one? No, still,
Yeah.
when you think about it, right, I have written it as product of factors, but this is still a polynomial. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but where are you asking should it be positive? Here or here?
Yeah. The first one.
Either of it can be positive or negative. You can even
Okay.
have this. This is also fine.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
This is as well fine, but this will not work for the given case, so it is positive. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
So, writing a polynomial, sum of terms, this is a term. Term consists of factors. What are the factors of this term? 10x, x. If you think about it, 5 to xx are the factors of the term. Remember these wordings, guys, it's so important. These are terms. Terms constitute factors. Okay, so factors of the last term is x, x5, 2. Now, what is factoring a polynomial? Means you are going to write the sum of terms. Literally, you are going to write this to, let's say, a square plus 2ab plus b square. You are going to write it out as a plus b times a plus b, the reverse, you see. So, you are going to write it out as product of factors. So, this is factoring this polynomial, factoring this trinomial. 1 second, ma, sorry. Okay, now.
I'm going to get dressed.
Okay, okay. Let's go ahead and try this. I'll give you a difficult one. Now you're going to try for me though. How about this? Which are the terms now? What are the terms here? What is the sum of terms? See, this is the subtraction. So this is a term. This is a term. So what is common? What is
2x
common
plus
between
7.
x? Yeah, 2x plus 7 occurs in both the terms. So take it out. What happens? What you're left with in this? Remove this. What you're left with? 9x
Not
square,
nice.
right? In this, take this out. Minus 12x, correct? Do you think it's factored? No. Why? This binomial still has something common in it. What are the common things that are there?
3x.
Yes, 3x, take it out. 3 is common to both, right? So I'll multiply that with 3x minus 4. Make sense? Now, each is a linear factor. Do you see linear means x power of 1? Each is a linear factor. So, writing the sum of terms as a product of product of factors. It might be linear or powers of 2 can come if it is irreducible. That we'll see later, okay? Usually you tend to express as linear factors. Sometimes you can't, okay? So let's try more, then we'll know.
I have a question really quickly.
Yeah, please go ahead. You want me to put it up?
Basically there are like multiple parentheses. Like for that one, there are like multiple parentheses, right?
Yes.
But in that 2x plus 7 in parentheses and that 4, they have 2 in common, right? So can we reduce it even more, or like does it not work?
Sorry, Harshita, I didn't get it.
So outside the 3x minus 4 parentheses, there's a 2x plus 7 parentheses, right? Can we still reduce it? Or like the 3x times the 3x minus 4, can we still divide by 3?
Okay. How do you think 2x plus 7 can further be factorized?
Not 2x plus 7, like in the entire equation, because there's a negative 4 on the other side, right? So like 2 and negative 4, so...
Here and here?
Yeah.
You can't write because this is like 2 times 3 times 6. You see, once multiplication comes in, there is no common taking out. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Meaning, all these are it's a single term with multiple factors. You got it?
Yeah.
Only when you have multiple terms, right? Meaning, if it is like this, right? Here, this is a term, this is a term. Make sense?
Yeah.
Here only you can take things as common because operation between them. See, remember distributive property. If this is multiplication, can I take anything as common? No, right?
No.
Exactly.
Well, I have a question. 2 times 3 times 6 can also be written as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, right?
Oh yeah, 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 I can express.
Yeah.
Meaning, here I cannot further factorize it into 2. Here it's already 3 times x. Here I cannot further factorize. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Not really?
No, yeah, I understand.
Okay, let's see more, then we'll see how much of it we understand. I really want you to be able to factorize. How about this? Yeah, this one is slightly difficult one. Let me see how many. Try this one, guys. Try that one, guys. I have a question maybe for Avyu, Nidhi and all. Did you factorize polynomials in school, Jay and all?
I think so.
Okay. Okay. Did you cover the ones like these?
In the way you told, they didn't really go like that. I'm not really sure how they did it.
Yes, they did. We factored polynomials.
You factored, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm listening. Okay. Go ahead. See, unless we factorize some basic, I know you can learn it in Algebra 2 again, But unless you're able to factorize well, right, you cannot do properly quadratics more. Lishita, are you understanding? So, what do you think about this? Please, let's make it into an interactive session here. What can I do about this? 12 and 8 signifies something.
Yeah, they can both be divided by 4, right?
4. So, can I write it differently? 3x minus 2. What about
And
this?
for 3 and -6, you can divide both by x, right?
Yeah, x is common to both. So, take it out and write it out as 3x minus 2. Now, what happens? This is x times 3x minus 2. That is a term plus 4 times 3x minus 2.
Oh, they're both 3x minus 2, so can we just combine x and 4 times 3x minus 2?
What is common to both?
3x minus 2, so x plus 4 times 3x minus 2?
Yeah. Make sense? Okay, now let me go ahead and ask you more. I'll give you, if you want, we can discuss, meaning we can discuss, do one by one, okay? We can discuss, you don't have to do it by yourself. Listen. Go ahead, guys.
Miss
Let me
Priya,
try the first one together, please. You don't need to do by yourself. Please, let's try it out together. Go ahead. Anybody volunteer, guys? You can group them, take something common, see whether then something else common comes. What can we do about this? I cannot take x common among all.
What about x common for x to the power of 5 plus x? And then 2, -2 common.
Good job. I want somebody else to try. Good job, Harshad. Go ahead. Somebody else, please try. What I can take? See here, can I take x as common and write it out as x power of 4 plus 1? Then in these two, I can take -2 as common. Again, you get x power of 4 plus 1. Anybody who has not understood this? Vikyat, did you get it?
Yes, I understood. I'm writing it down.
Now, among these, what I can take as common? X power of 4 plus 1, correct? What will be the other term? Rushi, you can tell me. You have studied, right?
I'm kind of confused on this way because
Okay, no
yeah.
problem. See, we are discussing hard ones. You know why we are discussing hard ones? When you come to algebra 2, I don't want to be redoing this. Okay, it is so much easier when you know all these and come. So, between these two, I can take x as common. So, what will be inside, ma?
Since you have to multiply, that would be x to the power of 4 and then plus 1.
Then here, what can be taken as common? -2 is common to both. So, I take it out. What will come inside?
X to the power of 4 minus
Plus 1, ma, because
plus 2.
minus.
Yeah. Okay,
Now,
yeah.
what is common between both?
1.
This is a term, this is a term.
Okay.
See, this one is a number. This one is a number. Right?
Okay.
There is a minus sign. This is a number, this is a number. So what's common?
The x to the power
X
of
power
4.
of 4 plus 1 is common.
Okay.
Now, then I write it out as this. So see,
Oh,
product
okay.
of fact. Yes, Harshad, go ahead and ask a question.
I have a question. What if, like, in the equation, you see how x to the power of 4 plus 1 and x to the power of 4 plus 1 is the same? What
Yeah.
if it's not the same? What if it's like perhaps x
That is when the
2x
correct. That is when the polynomial becomes irreducible. That is when the polynomial becomes not reducible. Am I making sense?
So you just can't solve it then?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You got it? You cannot solve it then.
Yeah, I see.
Am I making sense? Okay. Shall I go ahead and give you one more? Shall I give you one more?
Sure.
Let's see. I know this is a little difficult, but you guys will get it, guys. Let's try. How about this? This is a little beyond, but you. Oh, what is going on? Oh, I know. How about this? We are trying to take the greatest common factor and then factorize. This is one strategy. What you do, you find the greatest common factor between terms, then you factorize. Try now by yourself and send the answer to me in this case. Can we try? Try. If you don't know as well, please let me know. என்னடா
Take a piece of ice cream cake.
அவளுக்கும் கொடுறா.
Yes, obviously. When have I not? It's like 4 years of stress off my back.
Yes, agreed. Arshad, that's right. Lishita, you're almost there, Lishita. Can you retry? Lishita. Did you get it? X power of 4 plus 1. Yeah.
Sorry, I gave the answer to the wrong one. Let me redo that.
Yeah, Kavin, still x cube minus 3 is common. Did you see? You did not take the commons properly. Akshita, correct, ma. Lakshmita, correct. Avyukt, I think you got it. Jay, you also got it. Rushi, you got it. I think you guys are good now. Yeah, Dhru, I'll do it once for those who didn't get it. It's absolutely fine. Let's do it. Okay, meaning you should be able to see, oh, this is common, that's common. When I look at this, right, I cannot take something common on all the 4. I have to group them. Let me group them and see. You see, Malishita, that was a mistake. Then here minus 2 is common. that becomes x square minus 3 again, because if you take minus 2 common, this becomes a minus. Minus and minus become a plus. From these two, take out x square minus 3 common. When you take that out, that becomes x cube minus 2. Make sense, guys? Any questions? Okay. I don't want to be dwelling on this. I want to move as well. Let's see. Okay. Now, you know what? More than taking the GCF, right? That's not what I want you to learn. Okay. I really want you to learn only this. Factoring polynomials is useful by taking GCF. That is one strategy. But what I want to really factorize is, what I want you to learn for quadratics is factoring this. How to factorize this? X square plus 2x minus 15. I think this one some of you might have done in school. The best way to do this is, you have minus. So you have to think of factors. See, you have to multiply this and this number. Please listen, guys. You have to multiply A and C. You get a minus 15. So you have to get a product. You have to find two numbers whose product is minus 15. Sum is 2. You have to find two numbers whose product is minus 15 and sum is 2. Any thoughts about it?
5 and
5 and
negative
minus
3.
3.
5 and minus 3. Do you guys see it? This is your sum. This is your product. So 5 and minus 3. Now that you got it, you are going to split this into 5x minus 3x. You are going to write everything as is. Make sense, guys? What is common? Now you implement your original strategy. You take x as common, x plus 5. You take minus 3 as common, x plus 5. So now again you take x plus 5 common and x minus 3. See, you wrote your trinomial into a product of factors. Did you get it? Johan, are you following?
Yeah.
Kavin, did you follow? This is very important, ma. So, when you're given a quadratic function, what did you do? You took out a times c. That is your product, and sum has to be plus 2. Initially, you might not be able to get this at all. Don't worry about it, okay? But you know what you can do? When I was a kid, I usually used to write this down. What are the factors? 5, 3, or it can be minus 5, minus 3, or it can be 5 minus 3, or it can be minus 5, 3. These are the only 4 possibilities. Positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive. Got it? Now add them up and see. 8 minus 8, nothing fits in. 2, this fits in. This is a minus 2, this doesn't fit. So I'll choose this. Then I'll write the middle number as this. And then take GCF between the two, take GCF between the two, write it down as product. Make sense? Yeah, I'm not a fan of that X method and all that school teaches. So I don't get this here. Now go ahead and write this down. You're going to factorize and tell me this one, guys. If you don't know, wherever you're stuck, you're going to ask me. If you don't know, wherever you're stuck, please educate me that you did not know. Can I help you? Please let me know. Whoever needs help, let me know. Wherever you are stuck, if you can tell me, we'll see. Harshad, write it as product of factors. What you did was right, but write it as product of factors. Still there is minus in between, right? Take common out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's okay. We iron out slowly. Yes, Vikyat. Jay correct. Rushi correct. Nidhi correct. Who did not get it? I'm waiting. I'll help. Who doesn't? Jay, did you get it? Yeah, you got it, I think.
You said my answer was correct.
Yeah. Anybody else who's stuck? This is what I want you to do. I want you to be able to do. Now, you know what? I really want you to do these two. Let's see. Okay,
I
after
fixed
this,
it.
let me give numbers, guys. Let me give numbers, please. Both the questions. Factorizing is an art. Yeah. Oh wow, Rushi, your school inputs help a lot, right, Rushi, on this?
Yeah.
Both are right. See, I want everybody to scale up to that. Let's see. Because some of them are getting introduced only now. Kavin is the first one, right?
That's what I got.
Multiply that and see, are you getting the original value? Second one, Lishita, that's right. Multiply that and see whether you're getting the actual value. That will tell, right, guys? Oh yeah, Vikyat, good. Akshita, I'm waiting. Lakshmita, correct, ma. If you do one, you'll do the next. Avyukta, I'm waiting. If you don't know, it's really okay, but let me know. 8 times C, that is your product. 8 times C is your product. Don't forget the A. 3 times 8 is your product. Vikya, that's right. Yeah. No, not really. Vikyat, do you want to rework on the second one?
Yeah, I'll
You just
double
made a
check
minor
again.
mistake though.
Okay.
Miss Priya, I resend my answer. Number 1.
Yeah, Kevin. Ah, that's right, Kevin. Oh yeah, you guys got it. Most of you got it. Can I do it on the board?
Did I get my answer now?
3x square plus 2x. So what do we do here? 8 3s are 24 is my product. Okay, the sum is 2. So I have to choose two numbers that are close to get 2. So it can only be 6 and 4, right? It can be 6 4 or minus 6 minus 4 or minus 6 4 or 6 and minus 4, which evaluates to 2, this one. So I will write the first and last term as is. The middle term I'll write it out as plus 6x minus 4x. Now in these two I'll take 3x. Now x plus 6. Here I'll choose minus 4. Then it will be what is going on? X plus 2. It will be x plus 2. Now x plus 2 is common to both. You get 3x minus 4. Makes sense, guys? Any questions? Can I move on? If you know, this should be easy, right? 5x minus 2 times x minus 3 should be the answer. Can I move on? Okay, we know how to factorize polynomials right now. Okay. Now, can I move on? All of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here listening. Do you want to do more problems?
I'm kind of confused on number 1.
Absolutely, I'll help. Which step? Which step?
How did you
Step 1, 2,
step
3,
2 and 3?
4.
Step 2 and 3.
Okay. What is that you're not getting? Explain, Avyut.
How are we able to go to x plus 2?
Oh, okay. Between these two terms, what is common?
X plus 2.
Illemma. See. Between these two terms, what is common?
3x.
3x. I took it out. 3x times what is 3x square? X. 3x times what is 6x?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. The more you work it out, you will find it easy. Between these two terms, what is common?
Minus 4.
Good. If you take minus 4 as common, what you're left with? Minus 4 times what is minus 4x?
Oh, x plus 2.
Yeah, x plus 2. Now, between this is a term, this is a term. Subtraction is there, right? So split it based on that. What is common? X plus 2 is common. If you take that out, this you write down here, this you write down here.
Okay.
Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
You want to try this one? Or you want to try this one? Now you quickly, please. I'll give you time.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Once you do that, Rushi, did you do division of polynomials in school? Huh?
I think so, yeah.
You divided big polynomials?
I don't remember though, but if I see an example, I think I might tell.
We did dividing polynomials.
You did, huh? Okay.
Yeah, probably. I don't know.
Okay, at least the basic I want to cover. Avyukt, I'm waiting for your answer on this one. I'll wait for you. In the meantime, I'm going to discuss with the others division since you already know. So how about this, guys? If you're given 2x square plus 7x plus 7, you want to divide by x plus 2. Have you ever come across these? Nidhi, have you come across this?
No, Miss Priya.
Okay. Rushi?
Oh yeah, I remember. I know how to do
You've done this? Okay. Now the thing is, it is just, you don't even need to bother about this. Think about this. 7 divided by 2. What do? You ask the question, hey, how many 2's are present in 7? You write that down. You multiply these two. You write that down. Then you subtract both. 1. This is your remainder. This is your quotient. That's it, right? So 7 divided by 2, how do you write it? You write it 3 quotient plus remainder by divisor. Do you do that? This is exactly the same. If you remember this becomes so easy. You write the division problem as quotient plus remainder by divisor. Avyuk, did you get the answer for that one?
Yes. Could I get my charger once?
Yeah. Then can I move on? Can I move on? Okay. Can I go ahead and try this one? See, 2x square. This is very easy, guys, if you follow whatever we discussed. X plus 2. How will you just compare the first terms? How many x's? X times what is 2x square? Who can tell me? X times what is 2x squared?
Squared.
What, ma'am?
X squared.
X times what is 2x squared?
Oh, x times what is 2x squared?
X
2x.
multiplied by what
It's
is
2x.
2x.
Yeah, it's 2x. So this is 2x. Now multiply this with this. You all know multiplication, polynomials. What do you do? 2x times x plus 2 is what? One of you guys.
2x squared plus 4x.
Yes. Now you have to subtract, right? Subtraction is horrible like this. So I always negate the polynomial, second polynomial. Subtraction is everything negates, every sign negates here. So when you subtract, what happens?
You get 3.
This gets cancelled. 7x minus 4x is 3x. Now you bring down. What happens? Now again do the same thing. Do the same exercise. Just consider the first term. How many x in 3x? X times what?
3.
Is 3x. 3. So what should I write here? Multiply this with this. What should I write here?
3x.
Plus
6.
6. That's it. Remainder is 1. So negate it. Cancel this out. Remainder is 1. So you write the division problem. 2x square plus 7x plus 7 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 3. That's your quotient plus 1 by x plus 2. Make sense? Samanvi, are you following, ma? Okay. So now let's go one more, okay? One more on this I want you to do, guys, please. How about this? How about this? Do this one. X square minus 7x plus 12 divided by x minus 4. Just send me the quotient. Just send me the quotient. Just send me the quotient.
Wait, Auntie, I don't understand how I got the answer I got.
Tell me, wow. Tell me. Explain.
Is it fun if I say it out loud?
Yeah, absolutely. Tell me.
I got 0.
You got 0. Okay, go ahead and explain step by step.
So I did like x times x is equal to x squared. So in the top of it, I wrote x, and then I did minus x squared.
1 minute, ma. 1 minute. On top, what you wrote, Harshad?
X.
Okay, correct. Okay, then.
And then
If you are doubtful,
x
then go to
squared.
your main division.
And then I put minus x squared.
Correct. Why? X times x minus 4. If you are doubtful, do this. Multiply and see.
Yeah, minus x squared minus 4x. Oh,
What
I
will-
see what I did wrong.
Okay, good. When you figure
Instead
it,
of doing minus 4x, I did plus 4x.
see, x square minus 4x. Now you subtract both, right? Instead of subtracting, what I do is I negate both the signs. So this gets, always the first term will get cancelled. I'll tell you a crooked path. The first one always gets cancelled.
Oh, wait, no, I did do it. Wait, it's
Okay.
minus 4x, right? Why'd you put plus 4x?
Jay, that's not correct. See, that's, oh, Harshat, you did not listen. Okay, no problem. I'll redo. Now this will be x square minus 4x, right? I want to subtract the two terms. So I negate the second polynomial.
Wait, that means I did it right? 3x plus 12.
That will be minus 3x plus 12.
Yeah, minus 3x plus 12.
What happens?
And then again, negative 3 times.
Negative 3 will come, right? Negative 3x plus 12. You want to subtract them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this gets negated. Then you add them. If you negate it, then you add them. Both 0. That's it.
It's x.
This is your quotient, right? So what do you write? X square minus 7x plus 12 divided by x minus 4 is x minus 3.
Okay.
How do you check, Multiply these two. It's like 6 divided by 2 is 3. So you multiply these two to check, right? Did you understand, guys?
Yeah.
Jay, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Why we are discussing this? Whether your school discusses this or not, we definitely need you to understand multiplication and division of polynomials. Basic ones you need to do. And then we also discussed division of polynomials today. We discussed division of polynomials and we also discussed factoring polynomials. Factoring polynomials is quite an important step. Okay. Now, I really want you to suppose if I give you, let's say, suppose if I give you this, what form is it in? What form is this quadratic function in? Standard form or vertex form?
Vertex.
Vertex form. So, how do you convert it to standard form? What is the vertex of this? What is the vertex of this quadratic function?
2, 4.
Yep, 2, 4. Because x minus h, right? H is your vertex. Suppose if this was plus 2, what is your vertex?
Minus 2, 4.
Yeah, minus 2, 4 is the vertex, right? Now, another thing that I want to mention before I forget, right? Suppose if this is your quadratic function, What is your vertex? Standard form. See, from a vertex form, you're easily link the vertex. From standard form, have you come across that in school or not? Whoever is studying in school, have you done it?
I don't think we have done it,
Okay,
but
Rushi,
I
have you done it?
remember. I think I know how to do it.
How ma?
We find the vertex and then we can put into vertex form.
No. I don't want you. See, I don't want you to convert to vertex form. That's after class. That's not this class.
Oh,
That's
okay.
difficult. Okay, I just want you to find the vertex.
Wait, I have a
Yeah.
question.
Yeah.
Is it something, come on, -15?
Not really. See, x value of the vertex is b by 2a minus.
Oh yeah, you said that, I forgot.
Yeah, meaning when we discussed the standard form, right? I did mention that. I did mention that. Okay, vertex in standard form, I did mention that it's minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a. So what is the vertex here? Please don't forget this, guys.
It's gonna be -2 over 1.
-2 by 2.
2 times 1, which
2
is
times 1.
negative 1. Got it? What is the y value of the vertex?
Don't you just input -1?
Yeah,
as
put
y?
x in here. Put x value in here. Find out the y value. You got it? So that would be 1 minus 2 minus 15. So minus 16, right? So minus 1 comma minus 16 is the vertex. Make sense? Don't forget this, guys. I did tell you how to find the vertex from standard form. How do you do that? X, simply this is a by heart. This one you're going to by heart. X value of the vertex is minus b by 2a. Okay, then you plug in this x value into your function to find out the y value of the vertex. Make sense? I will ask you after 4 weeks. You should be able to answer. That's why I'm telling. Definitely we'll cover word problems in this. Okay, and algebra 2 will be filled with this. So you should remember how to find the vertex in both forms. Make sense? Okay, one more problem please. I'll come back to that question. Now, let's see this one. How to find the vertex here. What is the vertex of this quadratic? What is the x value of the vertex? Anybody please volunteer, guys?
1/3.
-2 by 6.
Minus b by 2a, right ma? So a
-2 by 6. So -1 by 3.
Negative 2 divided by 2 times 3. Does that make sense? So negative 1 by 3. Now it's so difficult to find the y value. Why? Because it's a fraction. 3 times negative 1 by 3 the whole square plus 2 times negative 1 by 3 minus 8. 3 times 1 by 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 8. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 8. Minus 1 by 3 minus 8 is minus 1 minus 24 by 3 minus 25 by 3. You got it? So the vertex is minus 1 by 3 minus 25 by 3. Does that make sense? Okay. Okay. I'll take another 2-3 minutes. Now I gave you this format. This is in vertex form. How do you convert it to standard form? We want vertex to standard form today. The other one I'm not going to do it today. How do you convert this? Any thoughts? It's easy, very easy. How to convert it? Aviv, tell me. Very easy.
We do x minus 3 times x minus 3 and then we simplify after that.
Exactly, that's it. X minus 3 times x minus 3. Please use formula a square minus 2ab a square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? Plus 1. Now x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 1. 4x square minus 24x plus 36 plus 1. 4x square minus 24x plus 37. See, vertex form to standard form. Just expand, that's all. You got it? Vertex form to standard form is just expand, put it out. Nothing else, okay? But standard form to vertex form is not that easy. That one we'll do towards the end of next session. Okay, I'm going to give a break and then come back to this. That time I'll ask you a lot of these. Please, we'll keep working on this. I'll keep reviewing these. Vertex to standard form is very easy. You're just going to multiply and then write it out as a full polynomial. Any questions? Okay, one another thing is next week we have break. That's why I took the 10 extra minutes because I wanted to complete this. Next week we have a break. See you all after the break. Okay, if you're traveling, safe travels. If you have any questions anytime, ping me. Homework will exclusively be on converting vertex to standard form, multiplying, dividing polynomials, and then factorizing polynomials till what we have studied. Any questions? Any questions for me? Okay, there are so many other stuff we need to study, okay? But only this homework will be there. I'll not follow the book, okay? Any questions? If there is, let me know. Others, we can log off and see you after the break.
Thank you.
Miss
Bye.
Priya.
We
Miss
don't
Priya.
have class today.
Bye.
We don't have class next week.
Just next week. Just
Okay,
1
I
week we
got it.
don't have class.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, we resume
Yeah.
the next Wednesday. Meaning we resume soon after. I'll send out all
Okay.
the calendar details for the next session.
Sure.
Okay, any other questions for me?
No.
Okay, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice break. Any questions, Dhuru? Dhuru, any questions? Dhuru,
Yeah.
any questions?
Yeah, I had one question. So, it was about like the factoring. So, if you had like a prime number as your answer, how would you like put that?
Can you show me one example?
How do I show you?
You're going to, I don't know, I don't understand what you're saying, right? So educate me.
Okay, can I search up an example?
Yeah.
So if it's like 4x squared minus 9 and like
4x square minus 9.
and like
Dhuru, this cannot be factored.
oh, okay.
Yeah, this one there is no common, right? This is the simplest form.
Oh, okay.
Got it? See,
Yeah,
this is called irreducible. This is an irreducible binomial.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, ma. Bye.
Thank
See you
you.
after the break.
You too. Thank you. Bye.